Yo, what's up, guys? Let's take a look at Facebook stock. Is Facebook a buy? Yes or no? Do I think it's still going to be a performer again? Let's find out. So, this is Facebook right now. Here we are again at all-time new highs again. About 4 weeks ago, we hit 153.62, and today we hit that new high again, and we powered through it. Facebook powered through it to like 154. It was up like $1 today, and then it came back down to that new high. Like so, it just stood right there. Now, um, that doesn't really concern me. The important thing here about what Facebook's done is it had a small 4 week correction, and this small 4 week correction is a pattern that I've seen before. It's it's called like the square box, and you can, if you kind of like imagine a little bit, you can imagine it falls down, makes a line here, goes like this, and comes back up. It's just kind of like a little box, right? This is a pretty powerful pattern. Once you see this pattern, usually you jump in at around the midpoint of this last high, so like at 152.8 would be a good point to jump in. And usually it starts taking off after that. Now, it might go down, the stock price might go down like 5% or so. I would say just keep holding on if it stays within a 5% range. But, I would say after a couple months, Facebook is not going to be trading at 153. It's going to be trading somewhere much higher. I can't really predict how much higher, but it should definitely be higher. I definitely think it will be. I saw this exact pattern like 2 months ago on Applied Materials, and let me show you what that looked like. So this pattern right here, can you see it? It happened right here. Does it kind of look the same as the Facebook pattern? It came down and this lasted like exactly 4 weeks, just like the Facebook one. And it gets kind of shaky here, and it kind of like worries you if you're still holding on. It tries to shake out a lot of people. A lot of people probably sold here, and then look at this. It hits this price target again, this high, and then it takes off. And I saw this, as soon as I saw this, I jumped in right here at 39.17. And I've been enjoying a nice ride up, and it did some shakeouts here and there, but I've been steady holding on, and it's been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, wow, 7 days straight of positive days in the last week. Holy cow, that's maybe too many. It's probably going to have some sort of correction, but that's a different story. I mean, you don't really know what's going to really happen in the short term on stocks. But the point here is this is a powerful price structure. Even if it corrects now, like I look at this difference here. Like I jumped in at 39 point whatever something 25 or whatever 17, and the price is at 46.72. This is like a great return. It's like 15% or something already. So that's kind of what I'm expecting out of Facebook. It made this pattern here, and it looks a little different, right? I mean, you have to stretch your imagination, but nonetheless, it's the same. It really is the same kind of pattern. I would say Applied Materials had a stronger pattern. It looked a little better to me than this, but if you hold on for a little bit of 5% wiggle room here, I think you're going to be making some gains on Facebook. I would say jump in now before it's too late. This is a stock to buy, in my opinion. Yeah, that's my quick analysis on Facebook. Is it a buy? Absolutely. In my book, I'm betting my money on it. So, you know, if you want, bet your money. But yeah, that's it for Facebook. I don't want to go too much into the volume and stuff and what I see down here, unless you guys want to. Short story is Facebook is a buy. It's looking good. Give it some wiggle room, and then wait for it to grow 20% in value. So wait for it to go another $30 up to like $180. That's what I'm looking for. My new price target on Facebook is $180. That's what I'm holding on for. So make sure to subscribe if I'm right. If I'm wrong, well, hey, that just happened. So don't hold me accountable. And as always, you can't make decisions just based on other people's decisions. This is my analysis. Maybe it supports yours or encourages you. But yeah, make sure to cut your losses, and make sure to keep track of your own investments. Anyway, subscribe if you liked it. Peace out.